The first thing I want to tell you is that whichever is an industry or a business that is in rapid change needs an internal force and an external force, right? To be able to adapt to that change. And very simple example is if you look at a caterpillar turning into a butterfly, what really happens is that there is a huge push the caterpillar makes to actually come out and transform, and then the butterfly needs to learn to fly. So there is an external and an internal force. And in healthcare, if you look at it, this is one industry that has accelerated the pace of transformation over the last 5 years. I think we are late. We are very, very late. And it's almost like we are trying to change the wheels of a car while the car is moving on the road, which is really the problem we have in healthcare today. But having said that, I would call out three things which are transforming our industry, right? One is the entire universal healthcare program that is happening in India, which is the Ayushman Bharat. Now, why I think this is a massive program and it will lead to transformation is that for the next 20 years, I think this program will continue to make certain structural changes in our ecosystem. And what I mean by structural changes is that today, if you look at the mix between how a Indian citizen is accessing healthcare, today he is trying to go to a private facility, the public facilities still need an upgrade, the information is still very patchy, there is lack of transparency in the sector, and all of the industry needs to come together and build certain structural platforms on how skills can be built, how certain regulations can be put in place, how the technology needs to come through, how fraud needs to be managed, how healthcare needs to be financed.